afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. Today is a very, very special day. Some of you have been wondering who the new love in my life has been. It's precisely this. It's Lakme Lip Love. I've been very, very excited to have this new love in my life. And it's a very, very special association. I was the face a few years ago and I'm back. This time as the brand ambassador of Lakme. And to be the face of your country's leading cosmetics brand is definitely a privilege. And this campaign is really cool. You guys, I don't know if you all have seen the TVC. Okay, you all are just about to see the TVC. I hope you all like it. I hope you all even like my new look in it. It's we've tried out something new, so very excited about that as well. So it's a very special association, and I hope you guys buy the new Lakme Lip Love. I'm wearing it right now, and it's amazing. And I hope you enjoy the TVC as well. Thank you. And I feel like it was really cool. It goes with the whole feel of the product and the ad and all of that. So hope you guys like it, and hope you guys, all of you, go and buy. All the ladies actually buy Restrict, and the guys can also buy for their wives. And the vanilla is not tinted. All the boys, vanilla one is not tinted, so you guys can get that one.
Beauty and how the film makeup is different from a makeup from a normal life.
That's an interesting question, and I've not thought about this, but now that I'm thinking about it, it is very different, film makeup and makeup in real life. For film, you have to keep things in mind like lighting and the setting that you're in, and if there is natural light, you have to do a particular kind of makeup, I guess. And also different people have different kinds of skin tones, and so it's very individualistic also. And weather also, if it's too hot, then what you should do, if it's too cold, what you should do, and depending on the skin type, I guess. So yeah, it's different. And in real life also, depending on where you're going, and like today is surprisingly hot. I thought it'll be cooler. So accordingly you do your makeup. Because of the role, because Arshia is a Kashmiri journalist, and Vishal sir's films, you know how he is in terms of the look. He's very precise with the look, and very true to the character and to the film. So in fact, he was the one, he was like, "Mujhe bilkul makeup nahi chahiye." But also to get the no makeup look, you have to put makeup also, and I personally think that's harder, because you have to have the right amount of control, the right amount of way to show that you're not wearing makeup, and I think if you nail that, that's a big achievement.
Thank you.
Well, of late, because I have been associated with this, and not only because I've been associated with it, you should ask them how excited I was when I saw the product that they were like, okay, you are going to be endorsing the new Lakme Lip Love. So I tried it and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And if you see, it's got tint and it's got moisturizer at the core of it. So this is what's in my handbag right now, the Lakme Lip Love, and I think you guys should really check it out. It's very, very cool, and the packaging is also really cool and fun. So that also adds to it, you know, adds to you wanting it. No, actually, we tried on the fringe, and we had to tame it a lot, because you have a natural fringe, which is really cool. And I've had a fringe earlier also, a few years ago, especially because I have a big forehead. So I used to be a little conscious of it in school. And that's when I used to put a fringe. But then I was like, oh, this is really cool, man, this fringe. But then it gets very hot and then your whole forehead gets sweaty. So you're like, okay, it's not very cool in that aspect. But we had to like, sorry, I'm just only looking at you now because you have a fringe. But so we tried it, and first it was looking like, wow, that's a lot of hair on your forehead. But then we tamed it, and with a lot of eyes on the fringe and on me. And we were like, let's go for it. It's a new look, and it looked fun, and it went with the product. So we're like, why not? Let's do it.
सर्दियों में क्या होता है कि लिप्स के लिए बहुत मतलब महिलाओं को सोचना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो हम बहुत ज़्यादा फटते हैं. तो जैसे आप डेली मेकअप या लिपस्टिक लगाते हैं, तो बेस क्या करते हैं और कैसे उसको मेंटेन रखते हैं अपने लिप की ब्यूटी को?
मैं एक्चुअली ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करती, फ्रैंकली टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ. शायद करना चाहिए, बट for lips I think it's very important, especially in the winter as well, to keep your lips moisturized. And when you have a product which gives you that with the right amount of tint, it's a perfect thing. You get color on your lips, you get moisture, and you're happy in the winters, and you don't have chapped lips. Yeah. So definitely, I also think when you use cosmetics, it's very important to use the right brands and trusted brands. And Lakme being, the leading trusted brand for Indian women, it's every Indian woman's household will have some Lakme product. I've grown up using Lakme as well. And so it's very important to have faith in the brand, and you know that when you're buying the brand, you know that it's going to be gentle on your skin, it's going to be correct on your skin, and you're buying a quality product at the end of the day. So that is one. Apart from that, natural things, water is the best thing, which makes you beautiful inside out for everybody and to survive on, of course. And what else is there? Sleep. Lots of sleep. Sleep is heavily underrated. And I don't know how, when you hear people saying, they work so hard and they don't sleep that much, I don't know how they do it. But sleep is very, very important. Brand ambassador of Lakme. Definitely अच्छा लगता है when people have faith in you to be able to endorse the products, so it feels really nice, and I'm really, really, really glad to be on board.
Now that you've found love and your movie has been a hit in 2014, so what next for 2015 and the coming years?
I've been taking it as it comes, like going with the flow. So I just hope that however my movies have been doing, I hope that continues. That'll be nice. So going with the flow, feel really blessed. Feel 2014 has been a very special year. So I can only hope that this run continues. Who wouldn't want it to? You can't sit and plan कि यार next film भी hit होगी, फिर उसके बाद भी hit होगी. If only it could work like that. But yeah, I hope 2015 is as good as 2014, if not better.
My question is, which other than Lip Love of Lakme product you would love to be associated with, or is your personal favorite?
Absolutely. The iconic Kajal. I would love to be associated with all their products, to tell you the truth, because even the products which don't have TVCs, the basic products that you use, even like a nail polish remover, every product of theirs has quality, and you can see it when you use it. So I think that's the best part, and it's readily available. It's so you can call your chemist and you can be like, please send this home. And everybody knows of their products. It's a brand which every Indian knows. अरे वो Lakme वाला भेज दो उनके घर पे, वो Lakme वाला. So that is the recognizing factor, I think, is the highest also in our country. I believe in the brand in its totality, and so of course we're going to do more campaigns together. One is also going to come out, another one is going to come out shortly. Very excited about that also. That is totally different from this one.
Very general and common kind of question. Bollywood में ऐसे कौन से हीरो हैं जिनके लिप या हीरोइन है? Because many times you see
जिनको मैं लिप लव देना चाहूँगी, लिप लव प्रोडक्ट देना चाहूँगी. आखिर में मसाला सवाल पूछ ही लिया ना. As towards the closing, it has to come. किनको देना चाहूँगी? वनीला वाला बिना tinted के किसको देना चाहूँगी? I think I will give it to the ones who I am a big fan of and who I love from the bottom of my heart, and I would personally want to give it to, since आपने पूछा है, ऋतिक रोशन, क्योंकि मैं उनकी बहुत वो
Fan, and what is the reason that you like his lips? So what is there should be a reason. Is the fan basically, yeah.
He has nice lips also, of course, but my god, you are like next level. But because I'm a fan of his since I was very small, yeah, that's why. With lots and lots of love, wishing all of you a very, very happy new year in advance, and everyone here also. Hope you guys have a fun new year. I'm going to have a lot of fun in Vegas. Vegas जाना मतलब Vegas में न्यू ईयर स्पेंड करना कम लोगों को ऐसी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. मुझे मिल गई है और रेमो सर ने कहा है कि वहाँ पे हम स्टे बैक करेंगे और सेलिब्रेट करेंगे साथ में, तो पूरी टीम साथ होगी. सो आई होप दैट यू गाइज ऑल्सो हैव एन ऑसम न्यू ईयर. I wish this platform is not the way to wish him, but I would love to have met him in person and wished him. I've actually never met him. But wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, sir. And here's hoping to meet you sometime. It'll be really nice too. Thank you. Thank you so much.